Our top story this afternoon, the number of new daily COVID-19 infections dropped below 300 today for the first time in almost a week, with most of the cases still popping up in the densely populated capital area. The government is warning that a third wave will be more dangerous than the past two. Also, some news just in, Seoul City says bus and subway services will be running at 80% normal levels after 10 p.m. and no rallies over 10 people will be permitted from Tuesday through the end of the year. Jang Tae-hyun starts us off.
South Korea reported 271 additional cases of COVID-19 on Monday. It's the first time in 6 days for the number to be below 300. But it suggested the dip might be partly due to fewer people getting tested during weekends. Of the new cases, 255 were locally transmitted, 16 from overseas. Of them, there were 206 cases in the greater Seoul area, including infections at schools, private education institutes, small gatherings, religious facilities, and hospitals. With 4 additional fatalities, South Korea's COVID-19 death toll stands at 509. The nation's overall caseload, including those who have recovered, is now slightly over 31,000. The South Korean government says the tide of new cases in the capital is the third wave of the virus.
The situation is quite severe now. Compared to the infections related to Shincheonji Church in February and March and the Gwanghwamun Square rally in August, this third wave is not from a certain group. It's popping up in numerous places.
The health minister added that due to the cold weather, the virus will be more active and people will spend more time indoors, which will lead to more infections. To prevent the outbreak worsening, the public is urged to follow the government's prevention guidelines, like wearing face masks, avoiding multi-purpose facilities, and getting tested when symptoms arise. Jang Tae-hyun, Arirang News.